everyone, welcome to HUAWEI USG6000 Hardware Installation and Maintenance Multimedia course. In this course, we will learn how to install a hard disk combination. A hard disk combination consists of a hard disk card and a hard disk unit. A hard disk unit consists of a 2.5-inch SAS hard disk and a hard disk tray. SAS indicates the type of interface on the hard disk unit. 300G, 600G, or 1200G indicates the storage space size. Before replacement, you need to prepare tools and understand these precautions. Next, we'll show you how to install hard disk. Step 1. Loosen screws and remove the filler panel. Step 2. Push the hard disk combination into the slot. Step 3. Fasten screws on the two sides. After powering on the device, run the Display Disk Information command in any view to check whether file system status is mounted.